I'm Brian Germain, and I like to jump out of airplanes. And I particularly like to jump out of airplanes over really big mountains, and that takes me to the far north, up to Norway, quite a lot. And this video that you're seeing here is something that I shot in 2016 over the sixth largest waterfall in the world called Vinnu. It's a 3,000-foot waterfall drop. And here you can see just 2 years later, this year 2018, the difference, cutting back here to the 2016 video, the difference in the glacier. Massive retreat that I see here, and it's kind of hard to deny. This is the warmest year that we've seen in Norway in 85 years, and driest also. And one could draw all kinds of conclusions about this recess. Is it human caused? Is it not? Does it matter? I think that's really what I would say is yes, there's major retreat. Will this return to what we would call normal? Here we see all the snowpack. Will it return that way within a year or two? Maybe. It could very well. But it certainly makes me think, about what kind of car I drive, whether I'm adding to the global warming issue. If in fact it is human behavior driven or not, to me that's the big issue that so many people are hung up on. And we might want to let go of that because there is scientific evidence. If you look at what NASA's reports are of the activity on all the other planets in our solar system, they're all warming up. There's all kinds of storms and increased radiance as a result of heating up. So it could very well be that it's not only the fossil fuel industry that's to blame, the coal burning electric plants. We don't know for sure, but we certainly know that that's the part that we have leverage over. And so to me, the concept of moving towards electric cars and things like that is wise. I think it's a rational response to a problem, part of which may not be within our control. Either way, what's the right thing to do? I guess that's the real question. So I'm just raising a little awareness with this video of showing my own observations of glacial melt over just a short 2-year period. Take it as you will, but I suggest that you not let fear be your motivator when you sort of step forward into this information. And anger, of course, is a natural response too, but neither of which are really going to move in the direction of change. What we need to be doing is cooperating, working together, making choices as individuals, but also as a society that moves towards improvement. We can do this. Our ecosystem is all we have. This is the planet we live on. So let's act in the most responsible way that we possibly can so that at least we know that we're pushing on the right side of the boulder. And if we get enough of us pushing on the right side of the boulder, we are going to be able to move it together.
It shakes off the apathy, even if your problems aren't solved. But all poetry makes sense somehow when you're looking at the ones you love.